Hello, everyone. Welcome to Emily RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. In this video, we will introduce how to use the Send Key tool. This tool can be understood as commonly used keys. For example, the Enter key that we press after typing a search and the Backspace key used for deleting things are among the keys that can be pressed using the Send Key tool. Next, we'll introduce how to use this tool. First, open Emily and activate training mode. Go to Google and type Emily RPA. After typing, you need to press Enter to search. At this point, you can click Send Key at the bottom left to press Enter. After selecting Enter at the top, click OK. Once pressed, you will see that we have moved to the search results page. Additionally, you'll notice that Backspace, Escape, and Tab are also available for use. You can choose other keys according to the situation. Once everything is confirmed to be working correctly, you can stop the training, give the skill a name, and upload it. If you want to change the command in the future, you can also adjust the skill. Click on the skill you just created, find the Send Key step, and click on it. Then select the third last option, Tweak. You'll see 4 keys there, and you can change to send a different key, for example, changing Enter to Tab. If the process changes and you need to delete this command, you can also click on the second to last option, Delete Command, to remove the key press. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.